Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Messenger chat bubbles not working problem or not showing problem or Messenger chat head not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Messenger application. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Go back. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Messenger application. Update your Messenger application latest version. Step 3. Open your Messenger app. Go to profile picture or menu icon. Again click on setting icon. Scroll down. Turn off chat head and again turn on chat head. You can follow all of the steps to fix Messenger chat bubbles not working problem or Messenger chat head not working problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.